Hi, my name is Craig from Equilibrium Digital, and in this quick video I'm going to cover 3 things that you could start doing to help bring more customers into your business. I work with businesses to help grow their customer base and boost sales through numerous strategies of digital marketing, and I've found that by giving people an easy free plan of things that they can do to impact their business has resulted in some of those local business owners putting their trust in me to help grow their company. So, by the end of this video, you've liked what you've heard, and you can see that I have a lot of tricks up my sleeve and digital marketing strategies that can help your business grow. Shoot me a message back and we can set up a meeting. Or, if at the end of this video you simply want to take this free attack plan that I'm going to give you to do yourself, that totally works for me too. So, let me not waste any more of your time and go over 3 things that will set your company above its competition. So, the first thing I want to talk about is content. Now, as we can see here, it's a good looking site. I went ahead and I ran them in SEO Quick, a tool that I use. We can see this is your URL, and it's showing that you have 464 words on your home page. So Google has released that for full optimization, they want to see a minimum of 1,500 words on that home page. So just adding content is one area. So what I did is I just typed in Fencing-Tampa, and your #1 competitor right here is the Central Florida Fence Outlet. I think it's just Fence Outlet is their name, their actual site. So I ran them in SEO Quick as well, and we can see that they have almost 1,000 words. So just by meeting that minimum, you'll already be beating your top competitor by just adding content, which is the simplest way. Second is keywords, right? So the quality of that content. So we can see that they have vinyl, fence, link chain, wood, chain link, fence outlet, things that make you want make them be found for people searching things in Google. Now you have button, railing, fencing, access, so you have some of these, but just increasing that content will get you more keywords on your page. See that they have 20, 20, 21, whereas you have at the most 10 per button. So focusing your keywords is important because this is how, when Google's algorithms scrub the pages, what they look for based on what you type into Google or what someone types into Google. Now the third thing is the most important thing, and that's your backlinks. So I ran your website in a tool called Ahrefs, and we can see right here you only have a DR of 3.1, which is what Google bases its ranking strongly on. This is your domain rating. Now what that tells me is one of 2 things could be happening. One, your backlinks are spammy. Now the number you have, it's definitely not quantity, which is what it could have been. So the other thing is that it could be spammy. A lot of people will pay people for backlinks and they'll just go out and get any website to put their website on. However, Google has gotten smart and their algorithms have been able to see what you're getting these sites from. So instead of getting just a high quantity of backlinks, you want to focus on quality as well. So these should be coming from sites that have to do with fencing, railing, security things that have to do with your business. And you also want to make sure you're getting them from sites that have a high DR and not just any random site. Now your competitor has only a DR of 8, which means they're doing a similar thing, but they happen to have more quality ones than you. Also, they have more in general, which helps them. But as you can see, they're driving in almost 7,000 clicks a month on their websites. So it's very important to get that click rate up, whereas you're averaging 208. So in conclusion, we talked about 3 things today. Content, having a minimum of 1,500 words to be fully optimized with Google. We discussed keywords and how keywords are going to drive people to find you when they type things in Google. And lastly, we talked about backlinks and link juice and how you need more relevant quality sites pointing at you guys to show Google you're the authority. Now if you implement these strategies, you can easily climb to the first page of Google. So what now? Well, like I said in the beginning, you can take all this info I provided you today, do this all on your own, which I'm totally cool with. However, if you want a more effective route and want to save yourself the time, you can give me a call at 813-515-3488. Once again, my name is Craig, and you can reach me at 813-515-3488. Thank you and have a great day.